Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about JEE Mains pattern in 2D coordinate system. In 2D coordinate system, first of all, discuss about the trigonometric ratios, angle values, and also discuss about quadrant system. In 2D coordinate system, some of the coordinates given in trigonometry ratios. Here, in trigonometry ratios, the ratios are positive in some quadrants and negative in some quadrants. First, discuss about the angles and trigonometric ratios. Here, six trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. These are six trigonometric ratios. Here to observe that the angles: sine 0 degree value, sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree 1. Here to observe that 0 to 90 degree, the sine ratio angle values increasing order: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Next, cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree 0. Here the values observe that this is the highest value: 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. From 0 to 90 degree, cos ratio values are decreasing order. Cos ratio values are decreasing order. And also observe that sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Next, tan 0, 0, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 60 degree root 3, tan 90 degree infinitive. Here also to observe that 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinitive. These are the increasing order. From 0 to 90 degree, tan ratio values are increasing order. Next, cot 0 degree infinitive, cot 0 degree infinitive, cot 30 degree is root 3, cot 45 degree is 1, cot 60 degree 1 by root 3, cot 90 degree is 0. Here also observe that infinitive, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. From 0 to 90 degree, cot ratio values are decreasing order. And also observe that tan 45 degree and cot 45 degree same, the value equal to 1. Next, secant 0 degree is 1, secant 30 degree 2 by root 3, secant 45 degree root 2, secant 60 degree 2, secant 90 degree is infinitive. Here also observe that 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 infinitive. This is the values increasing from 0 to 90 degree. In secant, the values are increasing from 0 to 90 degree. Next, cosecant 0 degree is infinitive, cosecant 30 degree is 2, cosecant 45 degree root 2, cosecant 60 degree 2 by root 3, cosecant 90 degree is 1. Here, infinitive 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. From 0 to 90 degree, cosecant values are decreasing order. To observe that secant 45 degree and cosecant 45 degree are equal, the value equal to root 2. Next, discuss about quadrant system. Here to observe that 0 to 90 degree, first quadrant Q1, 90 to 180 degree, second quadrant Q2, 180 to 270, third quadrant Q3, 270 to 360, fourth quadrant Q4. In first quadrant, all trigonometry ratios are positive: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. These 6 ratios are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, sine, the reciprocal is cosecant. Sine cosecant is positive. In third quadrant, tan, cot, these are positive. Tan, cot, positive. In fourth quadrant, cos, secant, these are positive. Here to observe that one small relation to remember the easy to understand. Here all means all trigonometry ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant, these are positive. Silver, here S stands for sine, the reciprocal is cosecant. Sine cosecant is positive. Next, T, here T stands for tan, tan reciprocal cot, tan cot positive. T cups, this is the one relation. C stands for cos, cos reciprocal secant, cos secant are positive. Next, to observe that this is 90 degree. If 90 minus theta falls down into first quadrant, this is 90 minus theta falls down into first quadrant. 90 minus theta is lies in Q1. Here 90, this is 90 degree, it increases 90 plus theta lies on Q2. 90 plus theta lies on Q2. This is 180 minus theta lies on Q2. 180 minus theta. Next, 180 plus theta lies on Q3. 270 minus theta lies on Q3. Next, 270 plus theta lies on Q4. 360 minus theta, it is also lies on Q4. Next, 360 plus theta lies in Q1. Here one important condition, if the angles 90 plus or minus theta and 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, if the angles are in the form of 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, here sine ratio changes to cos, sine ratio changes to cos ratio changes to sine, tan ratio changes to cot ratio changes to tan, secant ratio changes to cosecant ratio changes to secant. If 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta are given, the sine ratio changes to cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant changes to secant. Next, 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta. Here in this case there is no changes. Sine changes to sine ratio, cos changes to cos ratio, tan changes to tan ratio, cot changes to cot ratio, secant changes to secant ratio, cosecant changes to cosecant ratio. These are the important conditions. Next, discuss about the trigonometric ratios values: 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Next, discuss about 90 minus theta values. 90 minus theta values. Sine 90 minus theta. Here observe that 90 minus theta belongs to first quadrant. It belongs to first quadrant, 90 minus theta. If 90 is there, sin changes to cos. Here angle is theta. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios, sin, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant are positive. Here sin 90 minus theta, 90 is there, sin changes to cos. Here the angle is theta, cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Here also 90 is there, cos changes to sin. The angle is theta, sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta. If 90 is there, tan changes to cot. The angle is theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta. Here also, if 90 degree is there, cot changes to tan. The angle is theta. In first quadrant, all ratios are positive. Secant 90 minus theta. If 90 is there, secant changes to cosecant. The angle is theta, cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta. If the angle 90 is there, cosecant becomes secant, secant theta. These are the sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta. Next, 90 plus theta. This is 90 plus theta. This 90 plus theta. Here, this is 90 degree. The theta value increases. Then 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in Q2. 90 plus theta lies in Q2, second quadrant. Here in second quadrant, which ratios are positive? Sin and cosecant. These are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. To observe that, sin 90 plus theta. If 90 is there, sin becomes cos. This is second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin positive. Cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta. Here to observe that 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta belongs to Q2. In Q2, sin positive. Sin is positive, but cos negative. Negative. To take minus 90 plus theta, to observe that this is which quadrant? 90 plus theta is second quadrant. Cos becomes negative. Here 90 is there. Cos ratio changes sin. Here what is the angle? Theta. Theta, sin theta, minus sin theta. Next, tan 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Tan ratio is also negative, minus in second quadrant, tan negative. If 90 is there, tan changes to cot. The angle is theta. Theta. Next, cot 90 plus theta. Here in this case, 90 plus theta second quadrant, cot ratio is also minus. Cot, here 90 is there, 90 is there, cot changes to tan, the angle is theta. Next, secant. Next observe that, secant 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, secant is negative, minus. Secant is negative. Here 90 is there, secant changes to cosecant. Here the angle is theta. Next, cosecant 90 plus theta. Here to observe that 90 plus theta is second quadrant. Cosecant is positive. In second quadrant, sin cosecant positive. Cosecant positive. There is positive plus. If 90, cosecant changes to secant. The angle is theta. Secant theta. In second quadrant, sin 90 plus theta. This is sin 90 plus theta is positive. 90 plus theta, sin positive. Here 90 is there, cos theta. And cosecant 90 plus theta. In second quadrant, sin cosecant are positive, that is positive values. Remaining cos negative, tan negative, cot negative, secant negative. If 90 is there, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant. Next, discuss about 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta belongs to Q2. This is 180. 180 minus theta belongs to Q2. In Q2, sine cosecant is positive. If 180 is there, there is no changes in sine. Sine changes to sine, cos changes to cos, tan changes to tan, cot changes to cot, secant changes to secant, and cosecant changes to cosecant. Here to observe that, one by one discuss about sine 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine is positive. If 180 is there, sine ratio is sine. Here the angle is theta. Next, cos 180 minus theta. In second quadrant, 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos negative minus. If 180 is there, cos angle cos theta. Next, tan 180 minus theta. In second quadrant, 180 minus theta is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative minus 180 is there, tan, here angle is theta, tan theta. Cot 180 minus theta. In cot 180 minus theta, second quadrant cot is negative minus 180 is there, cot, angle is theta. Next, secant 180 minus theta. In secant 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta second quadrant, secant is negative minus, if 180 is there, secant becomes secant, the angle is theta. Next, cosecant 180 minus theta. Here observe that 180 minus theta second quadrant, cosecant is positive. Here 180, cosecant changes to cosecant. Here the angle is theta. Next, discuss about 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. This is belongs to Q3. 180 plus theta belongs to Q3. Discuss about 180 plus theta, third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan cot positive. If 180 is there is no change in trigonometry ratios. Sin 180 plus theta. Sin 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, sine ratio minus. In third quadrant, sine is minus. Only positive, tan cot minus 180 sine. 180 is there, the ratio sine changes to sine. Here the angle is theta, minus sine theta. Cos 180 plus theta. Here also 180 plus theta, third quadrant cos negative minus 180 is there, cos value changes to cos ratio, cos, the angle is theta, cos theta. Tan 180 plus theta. Here observe that in third quadrant, tan 180 plus theta is third quadrant, tan is positive. If 180 is there, tan changes to tan, the angle is theta, tan theta. Cot 180 plus theta. In third quadrant, tan is cot also positive. 180 plus theta, cot 180 is there, cot changes to cot, the angle is theta, cot theta. Next, secant 180 plus theta. Secant 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, third quadrant, secant is negative minus, if 180 is there, secant changes to secant, the angle is theta. And cosecant 180 plus theta. Here to observe that 180 plus theta, third quadrant, in third quadrant cosecant is negative minus, if 180 is there, cosecant changes to cosecant, the angle is theta. In observe that in third quadrant, tan ratio is positive, cot ratio positive. Remaining ratios sine, cos, secant and cosecant negative. Next, discuss about 270 minus theta. It belongs to 270 minus theta belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan cot positive. If 270 is there, ratios are changes. Observe that sine 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, sine is negative, minus in 270 degree sine ratio becomes cos. Here the angle is theta, cos theta. Next, cos 270 minus theta. In 270 minus theta, third quadrant, cos also negative, minus 270 is there, cos changes to sine. The angle is cos changes to sine, the angle is theta, sine theta. Next, tan 270 minus theta. In third quadrant, tan is positive, 270 is there, tan changes to cot, the angle is theta. Next, cot 270 minus theta. Here also observe that cot 270 minus theta, third quadrant, cot is positive. If 270 is there, cot changes to tan. Here the angle is theta, tan theta. Next, secant 270 minus theta. In 270 minus theta, third quadrant, secant is negative, minus 270 is there, secant changes to cosecant. Here the angle is theta, cosecant theta. Next, cosecant 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosecant is also negative. If 270 is there, third quadrant cosecant negative, 270 is there, cosecant changes to secant. Here the angle is theta, secant theta. In third quadrant, tan cot are positive, remaining are negative. Next, discuss about 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta belongs to Q4. 270 plus theta, sorry, this is 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta belongs to Q4, 270 plus theta. Here 360, this is decrease 1, here 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta is Q4 and 360 plus theta is, this is increasing one, 360 plus theta is Q1. Here 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta belongs to Q4. 270 plus theta belongs to Q4. Here to observe that in Q4, which are the ratios positive? Cos, secant positive. Sin 270 plus theta. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative, minus 270 is there, sin changes to cos, the angle is theta, cos theta, minus cos theta. Cos 270 plus theta. In fourth quadrant, cos ratio positive. In fourth quadrant, cos ratio positive. 270 is there, cos changes to sin. Here the angle is theta, sin theta. Tan 270 plus theta. Fourth quadrant, tan is also negative, minus 270 is there, tan ratio changes to cot. Here the angle is theta, cot theta. Next, cot 270 plus theta. Here to observe that 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cot ratio is also negative. 270 is there, 270 is there, cot changes to tan, the angle is theta, tan theta. Next, secant 270 plus theta. In secant 270 plus theta, secant 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant secant is positive. If 270 is there, secant changes to cosecant, the angle is theta. Last one, cosecant. Cosecant 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cosecant is negative, minus. Here 270 is there, cosecant changes to secant. Here the angle is theta. To observe that 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cos ratio is positive and secant ratio is positive. Remaining ratios are negative. Next, discuss about 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Next, discuss about 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, this is 360 degree. It is minus theta, lies in Q4. It belongs to fourth quadrant. If 360 is there, the ratios are not changed. Sin changes sin, cos changes to cos, tan changes to tan, cot changes to cot, secant changes to secant, and cosecant changes to cosecant. Here 360 minus theta fourth quadrant, cos secant are positive, remaining ratios are negative. Here one by one discuss about sin 360 minus theta. Here 360 minus theta is fourth quadrant, sin ratio is minus, 360 is there, sin changes to sin, here the angle is theta, minus sin theta, sin 360 minus theta, minus sin theta, cos 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta is fourth quadrant, cos is positive, here 360 is there, cos changes to cos, the angle is theta. Next, tan 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta fourth quadrant, tan is negative, minus, if 360 is there, tan changes to tan, here the angle is theta, the angle is theta, tan theta. Next, cot 360 minus theta, if 360 minus theta is a fourth quadrant, cot is negative, here 360 is there, cot changes to cot, here the angle is theta, minus cot theta, cot 360 minus theta, minus cot theta. Next, secant 360 minus theta, in fourth quadrant secant is positive, if 360 is there, secant changes to secant, the angle is theta, secant theta. Last one, cosecant 360 minus theta, this lies 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, here cosecant in fourth quadrant negative, 360 is there, cosecant changes to cosecant, the angle is theta, cosecant theta, cosecant 360 minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Here to observe that 360 minus theta belongs to Q4, cos and secant, these two are positive, remaining ratios are negative. Next, to discuss about 360 plus theta. This 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometry ratios are positive. 360 is there, there is no change in ratios. One by one discuss sin 360 plus theta. Sin 360 plus theta is 360 plus theta first quadrant, sin is positive, sin angle is theta, sin theta. Cos 360 plus theta, in first quadrant all ratios are positive, cos 360 plus theta, cos theta, tan 360 plus theta, tan theta, cot 360 plus theta, cot theta, secant 360 plus theta, secant theta, and cosecant 360 plus theta, and cosecant 360 plus theta, cosecant theta, cosecant theta. 360 plus theta belongs to first quadrant. Next, discuss about minus theta. This is the negative angle. Minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos secant positive. Here to observe that sin of minus theta, in fourth quadrant sin negative, this is minus sin theta, sin of minus theta, minus sin theta, cos of minus theta, in fourth quadrant cos is positive, cos theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta, tan of minus theta, minus tan theta, cot of minus theta, minus cot theta, in fourth quadrant sin, tan, cot and cosecant negative, secant of minus theta, secant of minus theta is secant theta, secant of minus theta, secant theta, cosecant of minus theta, minus cosecant theta. This is also important condition, is minus theta, this angle lies in fourth quadrant, sin of minus theta, minus sin theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta, tan of minus theta, minus tan theta, cot of minus theta, minus cot theta, secant of minus theta, secant theta, cosecant of minus theta, minus cosecant theta. Next, discuss about some formulae in multiple angles. These are also useful in geometry part. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. in tan sin 2a in tan 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a cos 2a cos square a minus sin square a 2 cos square a minus 1 1 minus 2 sin square a cos 2a in terms of tan 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Remember this four formulae in cos 2a. Tan 2a 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. These formulas are useful in objective type questions in geometry part. Next, sin 3a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a 4 sin cubed a cos 3a 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a sin 3a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a cos 3a 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. Here to remember that one formula, proof not necessary. If capital A is equal to cos alpha comma sin alpha are the coordinates, and B is equal to cos beta comma sin beta, these are the coordinates, and B is equal to, if A is equal to cos alpha comma sin alpha and B is equal to cos beta comma sin beta, then distance between AB, this formula is useful in 2D coordinate system. 2a sin of alpha minus beta by 2. 2a sin of alpha minus beta by 2. Here to apply the formula, distance between AB root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and then after simplification the result is equal to 2a sin of alpha minus beta by 2. This is the important relation used in 2D coordinate system. Next, discuss about some relations. These relations also important. 1 plus cos 2a. Here 1 cos 2a. Here sum. If sum is there, this is equal to 2 cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a. Here 1 cos 2a minus. Here that equal to 2 sin square a. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos a, 2 cos square a by 2, 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2. These are the relations. Some of the problems in 2D coordinate system and geometry also, the trigonometry formulas are used. Okay. In this video, discuss about some angles in trigonometric ratios and quadrant system, and discuss about the formulas on multiple angles 2a and 3a. These formulae useful in solving the objective type questions in 2D coordinate system. Next, discuss about objective type question, level 1 pattern type, objective type questions, level 1 pattern type in 2D coordinate system. Next video discuss. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.